SunPower Performance solar panels. Reliability you can depend on. When the flow of direct sunlight to a solar panel is interrupted, it can prevent panels from operating reliably. From falling leaves to shadows cast from their surroundings. Your solar panels encounter shade from a variety of sources. The design and engineering behind your panels ultimately makes the difference in how well they perform in shade. Take, for example, the shade from a leaf on the surface of a conventional solar panel. The electrical design of the panel forces an entire portion of the panel to shut down until the leaf is removed. SunPower Performance panels, on the other hand, are engineered to keep energy flowing. With smaller cells arranged in independent rows linked together by redundant electrical connections, the effects of shading can be more reliably managed. In the case of a more linear shadow on the surface of the conventional panel, we see a dramatic impact once again, while the performance panel continues to operate with a higher tolerance to the shade. When you add in the power ratings of each panel, you can see how small amounts of shade can make a huge difference over the life of your system. Here's another look as shade is cast from a different angle. The conventional panel completely shuts down, whereas the performance panel can provide you a more powerful and reliable source of energy over time. SunPower Performance solar panels. Uncompromised performance, exceptional value.